it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing this blue half cut crease makeup look for you guys, and I am super excited for you guys to watch this tutorial because it's very easy to do. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it. So first I'm going to use the shade Honest from the Profusion Eye and Cheek palette, and to apply that I'm just going to be using this teeny tiny crease brush. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend that shade out. Alright, now to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using this concealer from Body Choice in the shade 15. And to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using this little concealer brush just to apply the concealer to my lid. Now I'm going to set this concealer in place with a little bit of translucent powder, again from Body Choice. And to apply it, I'm just going to use that same concealer brush to set the cut crease with. Now using the sparkly blue shadow in the Sephora Beyond the Stars palette that they did last year for the holidays, I am just going to take that shadow onto this little flat brush right here, and I am just going to apply that a little bit inner ways into the inner half of my lid, kind of creating the illusion that we have a half cut crease going on. Taking the light chocolate brown shadow from the Sephora Beyond the Stars palette, I am just going to take that shadow and apply that to the outer half of my lid and a little bit into my crease using this teeny tiny crease brush. Now just taking my blending brush, I'm just going to blend these shadows out, and then I will be done with my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and we will be done with the eyes. Warm up my face using my bronzer and highlighter duo from Beauty Big Bangs. I'm just going to be using the bronzer like always, and this is in the shade 03. Mosaic blush in the shade All You Need Is Pink on the apples of my cheeks, and to apply it I'm just going to be using this Profusion blush brush. Last but certainly not least for face is highlighter, and for highlighter today I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. Fake highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls, and to apply it I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So first, I'm going to go in with this Covergirl Exhibitionist lipstick in the shade Streaker. This is just a really pretty cool toned nude lipstick that's going to go perfect with this eye look, but it is a matte finish. Now, if you wanted a matte finish with this eye look, you could just use the lipstick and be done, but I kind of want a little bit of a shine on my lips and a little bit of a gloss. So I'm going to go over the top of that lipstick with this LA Colors Super Shine lip gloss in the shade Pouty, and again this is just a cool toned nude sheer lip gloss. Alright everyone, so that is it for this half blue cut crease. I really hope you all really did enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one really soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.